Guess what? Over there. What expenses didn't we expect after buying this house? Chang, do you feel more secure financially or more careful now? Chang, was avoiding interest worth it? Chang, does owning a house change how you see our future here in Japan? Do you feel this house is something we can pass on? Does Japan feel more like home now? If we could go back, would you still buy this house? Chang, what is the hardest part of owning a used house? Who do you think should consider buying a used house in Japan? If you describe this decision in one word, what would it be? Does this house feel old or does it feel home?
自分の家だね。自分の家。
Mm.
古い感じじゃない。
Ne. Feels home, ne. Every time you go back home, oh, home.
そうそう。
Ne. Chigaw feeling, ne. Apato, ne. Versus
chigaw,
apartment,
chigaw.
ne. So, yun. Ako rin po, no. Iba rin yung feeling, no. Na talagang pag-uwi mo. Uy, bahay namin. Ne. Plus yung feeling na bayad, no. It's already yours because it's paid already. Tayo na.
そう、もう。
Ne. What expenses didn't we expect after buying this house?
セプティックタンク。
So, septic tank. That's yearly, di siya?
そ
How much?
う。12,000。
Kyusen, di siya?
12,000だよ。
Chimang
セプティッ
gisen.
クタンク。
Septic tank.
で、
Ne.
多分3 years とかで3万4万ペイで。クリーニング
3
ニー
years
ズだから。クリーニングニーズだから3、4万ニーズ
For the septic tank, ne.
とか。
Mm.
それぐらい
Mm.
あとは、
Tax. So, that's one more thing, ne, Yoko-chan. The house is old, the house is cheap. That's why our yearly tax is
cheap.
not expensive, ne? Not expensive, ne? So, yun. So, yan pa po pala isa, no? Yung yearly, yearly tax, no? So, sa case po namin, how much is our yearly tax again? Yung mang?
4万ぐらい。
Yung mang. So, nasa 4 na lapad lang po, no? Yung yearly tax na to. Itong bahay na to, no? So, magaan siya. So, Yuko-chan, if we bought a brand new house, how much would be the yearly tax?
It depends house だけど、マイカーワーカーは8万とか
8万?
8万9万ぐらい。
Dake?
Now はね、ニューだから。でも、after how many year かなわからないけど、after year ちょっとハイだよ。
でもI've read something about taxes. They said that niju guray dayo. Niju.
だから
Niju mang,
depends
niju
house.
gomang. It depends on the price of the house and it depends on the price of the land. Date. House and land date.
そう。だから depend house.
So, may nabasa po kasi akong ganyan, no, na yung property tax, you call it property tax, di siya? Yung yearly property tax nyo po, no, didepende yan sa kung magkano yung presyo ng bahay at kung magkano yung presyo ng lupa, no? So, hindi po siya pare-parehas. So, kaya po mahirap kalkulahin, no, kung magkano yung, hindi po siya yung kunyari, itong bahay na to, 30 million. Doon na po kaagad babase. Depende po, no, kung magkano ba sa 30 million yung lupa, magkano ba sa 30 million yung bahay na tinayo, no? So, depende po. Chang, do you feel more secure financially or more careful now?
More careful.
Nande more careful?
だからだってメンテナンスニーズになった時が大変だから。
If でしょ? If.
そ
Ne.
う。レンリリいるから。
So that's the difference, ne, in renting a house and having your own house. If you rent a house, if something went bad on something, like for example, sink to ka, toilet to ka, so diba free di siya? You don't have to pay anything di siya? But if you own the house, you have to pay for everything. But I think that's okay because we don't pay monthly anymore, di siya?
そう。
So I think that's fine, ne? Chang, was avoiding interest worth it?
Interest.
Worth it? Was avoiding?
Of course.
Ne?
Of
ね
course. なんでペイたくさんペイアッドしないインクルードしないといけない。
No. But some people do that because they don't have that cash.
I know.
And like for example, they are buying a big loan. Like for example, 30 million. They don't have 30 million, so they don't have a choice
そうね。
but to pay.
Depends person.
大変ねそれはね。
大変。depends person. だから enough money.
If you have enough
Go
money,
ahead.
enough income, that's okay. Ne? But the problem with that is that you will not be able to save a lot for the
ただ
future
just
ね。
これとか何
うん。
それでバイとかそういうのは意味ないよ。
なんで。
意味ないじゃん、スペンドマニーだって。
誰も関係ないね。
関係ないでしょ。
ね。
Living and relax and sleep and eating できれば it's okay。グッドハウスは、まあ、フィーリングはグッドよ。
いいフィーリング
でも、でも、エブリデイ、大変とかはもっと嫌でしょ。
every day, every month.
every month とか、every day thinking money どうしようとか、それはリラックスじゃないよ。
ね。So yan po yung mentality ni Yuko-chan na parehas po kami. So, mas ano po kasi no, yung meron kang freedom no, na wala kang pinoproblema monthly. So kaya po ako talagang kung natatandaan po ninyo no, nung naghahanap pa lang po kami ng bahay, ako po talaga yung pumipilit na sabi ko hindi, ayoko ng bago. Dahil nga, pero hindi po natin malaman no, hindi natin malaman kung in the future. So ngayon po kasi no, tulad niya kung nagbago po kami ng bahay, pagkatapos si Riri-chan sasapin po yung monthly niya na Yuko-chan, if we bought a brand new house, sa tatayin dyan. And then Riri-chan na tuition.
だから大変だよ。
Ne.
大変だよ。
So, mahirap po kasi talaga no, kapag ka-foreigner ka dito dahil yung pay nyo po, no, kahit umabot pa kayo ng 30, 28 kalapad, 25 kalapad, 25 to 30 kalapad, iba pa rin po no, yung kinikita ng lokal. No, iba pa rin po yung kinikita ng lalo na yung mga nagtatrabaho sa government. So, kung bakit ko po yan alam, hindi ko na po sasabihin. Basta yun lang po. No? Iba yung kita ng lalo yung mga nasa government, no? Pati po yung mga ano nila. Pati po yung mga benefits nila, lalo kapag retiro nila. So, I heard, no, si Yuko-chan nagsabi sa akin na kapag ka sa government ka daw nagtatrabaho, pag retire mo, makakakuha ka ng parang pambili mo ng panibagong bahay. Na Yuko-chan, if you are working in a government, once you retire, you will get a money and you can buy a brand new house in cash. Ne? So, gawin eh. So, yun po. Tapusin ko na po dyan yung usapan dahil alam niyo naman po pag tungkol sa trabaho. Ako po, hindi pa po ako nagsasabi kung ano yung trabaho. Si Yuko-chan din po, hindi po rin siya nagsasabi kung ano trabaho. At kami rin po, no, hindi po kami yung tipong magkano yung income, magkano yung ganito, hindi po kami nagsasabi sa ganyan. No? Unless, ano lang po, part-time lang po. No? Tulad ng mga paggawa-gawa ko sa sasakyan, no? Kinikita natin doon. Pero yung, kumbaga, nagtitira pa rin po kami ng personal namin. No? Meron pa rin po kami pang-personal na, ano, hindi ko masabi kung ano yung gusto kong sabihin, no? Basta yun, no? Yung does owning a house change how you see our future here in Japan? Why?
In the future はペンション
少ない。
we should live by pension. So 少ないペンション。
You will not be able to live by pension alone, ne?
そう。だから。
So if you have monthly bills,
そう、大変でしょ。
大変ね。Now that we have this house, even if we get old, maybe okay na. Maybe na. So dito po muna namin tatapusin tong vlog na to, no? Si Riri-chan nagmamaktol. So maliligo po muna. Mamaya ulit!
Mamaya ulit!
So ayun, at good evening po ulit, no, sa inyong lahat.
Good evening po.
So ayun, ako po naligo na. Si Riri-chan naman po napatulog na, no? Earlier, ne? We talked about earlier. And then had our dinner. And then put Riri-chan to sleep. Then Yuko-chan muna fell asleep na. So ayan, kagigising lang po kaya ngayon kumakain ng ice cream.
Snack.
Mushi. Midnight snack, ano?
Midnight snack.
So, kasi po, because later, what are you going to do?
Yuko-chan? Cooking.
So, magluluto po kasi si Yuko-chan ng mga stock na pagkain ni Riri, no? So, pagpatuloy po natin, yung pinag-uusapan natin kanina, yung patungkol nga po sa 2 years experience natin, no, sa pagtira natin dito sa bahay. Yuko-chan, do you feel this house is something we can pass on? No, ne? Because this house is not brand new, ne? And Riri-chan is not male.
Male?
Not boy. Ne? Because usually when you're a woman, the boy will provide for the house, di siya? Ne? So, and what do you think in the future? Do you think Riri-chan will use this house?
No.
Maybe no, ne? For sure, ne? For sure, ne? So that's for sure. So hindi po namin naiisip na maipapamana pa to. So natching po ako, no. ちょっとano da yo, Yuko-chan. Sneeze, want to sneeze.
うん
Dry da kara ne.
うん
So kasi po no, ngayon kung mapapansin niyo, hindi po kami gumagamit ni Yuki-chan ng toyo. Toyo di siya, toyo.
うん
So kasi nga po, delikado kayo. Itoyo po yung yung heater na nilalagyan ng kerosene. So ngayon po hindi kami gumagamit dahil nga po si Riri-chan, mahirap na baka mahawakan, mapaso pa. So permis po kami, lagi kami naka-aircon It's mo aircon Kaya po nagde-dry
ドライ
So yun po hindi na po natin ito ipapamana. So baka ang ending nito, hindi natin alam kasi we don't know what future holds. We don't know what will happen in the future. So there's a lot of things will happen. We might buy another house, something like that. We don't know. Hindi pa po namin alam. Tulad po na sabi ko sa inyo, ako po, undecided pa kami kung saan ba talaga kami magsisettle. Dahil po, sa ibang vlog na po natin pag-usapan yan. So yung sunod pong itatanong ko is, patanong ko po sa sarili ko. Hindi po. This question is not for you. This is for me. Does Japan feel more like home now? For Yuki-chan, of course, you feel like home, Japan wa. So for Anthony wa, yes, I think it does feel more, it feels more like home now because before I was just renting when I was living in Uenomura. And then when we lived together, also rent. For how many months dake, Richang?
5,
For
6
how many months dake? April kara April, May, June, July, August, September, October, 7 months. So 7 months din po pala kaming nangupahan ni Yuki-chan. So sa 7 months po sa Liman Lapad, 350,000 yen. Plus how much did we pay for the down payment? So nakalimutan ko na po kung magkano yung down payment namin. Yung down payment ko dun sa apartment dahil po tagal na nun, 2 years ago na. Pero ganun po, may down payment siya. Pagkatapos nagstay po kami ron ng 7 months. Tsaka po namin nabili itong bahay na to. So yun. So for me po, mas feel at home, mas nafe-feel ko ngayon na parang home ko na rin yung Japan. Dahil nga nagkaroon na kami ng sariling bahay. Kiswa. Is there anything you miss about renting?
Miss?
No? Unto yan, renting mo.
絶対嫌だ
So ako naman po, watashi wa Yuki-chan, when I was living in Uenomura, daijoubu. Dakara, minasang urusakunai kara. Choto aru. Side dake. これだよ。
すごい
女の子がurusakunai. 男だよ。
ない
それで。そう。それだけ。でも女の子はno soundだよ。でも sometimes here だよ、俺。これだよ。そう。So, doon pa po yun sa Uenomura na nakatira ko. So, ganun po talaga, maririnig ninyo yung mga katabi ninyo dahil talagang wall lang ang pagitan. Ganito lang po ang pagitan. So, yun, overall po, ako wala rin po ako namimiss sa pagre-rent dahil wala kang privacy. Yuki-chan, I don't miss anything about renting because you don't have privacy, でしょ? Anthony wa iski でしょ? Kuruma no, fixing to ka. So, when we were living in the apartment, parking towi でしょ? So, and then, yun na sangwa. Nistero mitay na. So, wala po. Mas gusto ko yung ganito, yung solo mo yung bahay pagkatapos, konti yung kapitbahay. So, palagay ko meron din po akong konting pagka-introvert, Yuki-chan mo Skoshi introvert, aro Introvert. Don't want a lot of people to just, jibun dake. Hito-bito.
いっぱい人嫌だ
So, ipahito yan, yan siya.
嫌だ
If we could go back, would you still buy this house?
No
Nande?
Snow
Because of snow? Because of, sorry dake?
それだけ
Because of winter?
Sorry,
Even if
dake.
it's 5 million yen? Because you will not be able to find a house like this for 5 million yen. Buy shinai?
バイしない
Totally.
because 5 million yen save
Mhm.
then add
Add.
to 5 million yen
Another house.
then another house buy
Demo, will you be able to gaman 2 years with Riri-chan in the apartment?
でいいね
Dekinai de siya. So, matchigay janay dyan.
でも 上チョイスあ
If
るなら、
dake, if.
if できるなら、ちょっとペーシェントして、
うん。
はい、
でもペーシェントできないでしょ。
ペーシェントするよ。
No, できないよ。crying だよ。
いいよ、アップステージうるさいからリリーちゃんを、ウェーウェーでも関係ない。
No, yung Yuki-chan crying daw before. So, yun, naiiyak po yan sa, sa ingay na yung Yuki-chan, ne, crying na. Siguro stress na. So, yun, ako naman po, kung ako tatanungin, no, kung maiba, ganun pa rin po yung gagawin ko kasi nga po, mura, tsaka, alam niyo yun, kumbaga mabilisan, no. Ako po kasi ganun, kumbaga mabilis yung kasi nakita niyo naman po, no, nung naghanap-hanap kami ng bahay, nung makita namin ito talaga, sige na, ayos na yan, kunin na yan. So, yun, ganun po, mabilisan. Kasi talagang ngayon po, nagtitingin-tingin din kami. Yuki-chan, we tried looking for a house, di siyo? 10 million na, di siyo? Last time, 9 million ima done. Sold. Eh, di mo, susunod uchi ba? Siguro, okay. Ne?
あれだよね。
And Sono Uchi wa, siguro, moto older than this house, da yo.
あ
1950s, da yo, Sono Uchi.
何かしらバッドデメリットあるね。
Nani?
何かしらデメリット。
Like what?
例えば、グッドハウスでもランドなろうとか、
So,
ビッグハウスでもちょっとカントリーサイドとか、いろいろなんか、全部 all good
you
は
cannot
ちょっ
get,
と、
you
ない
cannot
ね。
get everything, ne?
うん
So yung sinasabi po ni Yuki-chan, no, meron po kasing malaki, mura, maganda yung land, kumbaga, wala ka sa bundok, no, wala ka sa inaka masyado, mura, no, kaya lang medyo malayo ka nga sa mga schools, you're far, ne, from schools to ka supermarket to ka train stations to ka, unlike here, everything chikay di siyo, kono uchi, to wimitay dake, ne. So, yun nga po, no. Ngayon, meron naman pong makukuha, no, maliit naman masyado, maliit din yung yung parking lot. Malapit ka nga sa lot, kaya lang sobra naman liit na yun. No parking lot, arod siya.
So,
Uchi, no? So, may natignan din po kaming bahay, no? Siya, okay din yung bahay, kaya lang wala siyang parking lot. So, kaya po talagang ito yung pinili namin ni Yuki-chan, no? Tsaka talagang at first, when we first saw this house, sugoi desho, nani, keski. Sugoi iski desho, Yuki-chan mo. Anthony mo, imama de dayo, Anthony.
今もいいよ、景色はね。
Dake ne, snow dake in
スノー
December.
だけ。スノ
So that's you have to gaman dayo 3 times a year, 2 or 3 times a year. 少ないじゃん 3
ー。で
days.
もワークあるから、ワークないいいよ。It's okay.
Ne.
リ
Hindi,
タ
just
イア、
park
after
there.
リタイアは大丈夫。
Ne, just like there. Ne.
うん。
Ne. So yun lang po, no? Yun po yung honest na namin dito sa bahay na to. Yun nga po, yung kapag ka December, not December, it's mo January, February, ne. Pagka January at February po, 1, 2 hanggang 3 beses po na mag-snow. So kailangan po naming magpala. No? Demo, 8 more years. 8 more years and then, di siya? 8 more years, 5 million yan. Di siya?
そうそう。
So, ano pa po, no? Ang bilis, nakadalawang na tayo, 2 years na kaagad. No? So, 8 more years, parang nasulit na natin kaagad yung ibinayad natin dito. So, yun. At least meron po tayong no? Sarili na natin, no? Pagdating man ng panahon, makapag-decide kami na bumili ulit, meron pa tayong isa, no? Chang, what is the hardest part of owning a used house?
一番難しいことは何だろう。メンテナンスじゃん。
でも、今までメンテナンスないでしょ？ないね。ないだよ。All positive dyan. We don't have monthly. Tuka, oras ako nai. Privacy, aro.
ここの This house はメンテナンスないけど、Another house はメンテナンスあったりするじゃん。J みたいな。
そうね。
だからメンテナンスだよね。一番大変。難しい。
If aro. But for us now, we don't have any of that, di siya? Aro. Anthony maintenance dyan. Upuro. Yakin. Pakin ko. Di siya?
メンテナンスとか、あとは。
So maybe po, no? Maybe nga maintenance dahil
あとはあれだよね。
pagka nabili niyong bahay, merong sira.
Neighbor.
Ayun, ne. Tsaka yung, because you don't know, ne, their attitude, ne.
だから、
So far, good ね。
だか
Because we
ら、
only have 2 here.
そうだけだからいいけど、
うん。
if neighbor は変な人、
うん。うん。
bad person とか、
araw na, no?
クリーピーみたいなちょっとなんか変な人いるじゃん。
araw na.
サムタイムズいるよ。
ね。
そういうのとかだと大変だよね。
それだね。ね。わかりました。そ
だ
れだけ
から一番チェックニーズよね。
neighbor ね。
ネイバーとか。
それだけ
うん。
So, daから next time, if we are going to buy a house, we have to talk to all of the neighbor.
そう
Is
そう
this
そう。
place good? And this and that? How's the
そうそう。
neighborhood?
そうそう。
Something like that.
チェックでニーズ。だからファーストタイムユキちゃんアスクしたじゃん。
ね。So,
うん。
でも what did they say to you?
good 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 だって。
Okay, that
う
is
ん、OK って言ってたから、そう、じゃあ OK か。あとはフェイスとフェイスでトーキングでちょっとはあれでしょ。
わかるね。
アティチュードあるとか。
ね。ね。You will know ね。
うん。
Right away ね. So ako po wala akong kinalaman doon dahil hindi naman ako nakipag-usap sa kanila. So si Yuki-chan po nakakaalam niya. Who do you think should consider buying a used house in Japan?
Living Japan.
A person who wants to live for good here in Japan.
うん。
What else?
それぐらい
Ne. For me, Yuki-chan, I think people who don't want to pay monthly should consider buying a used house. Like us, you don't want to pay monthly to ka. You don't want to pay for the interest of a brand new house to ka. And you want to pay in cash but you don't have 30 million. Sure?
うん。でもバイするとlive there でしょ。だからトランスファーできないよ。if work transfer とかある
Okay.
人は don't easy じゃない。
So,
transfer。
So ang sinasabi po ni Yuki-chan, if you're not regular employee, don't buy a house, ne? Because you don't know if you wanna go here, go there.
そう、東京行くとか、
ね。
ゲッツジョブ東京とか、
Ne.
another city とかある人は、
Kung hindi pa kayo sure, no? If you're not sure, ne?
うん、
Now, if you are sure that you are going to live in that city,
うん、
go ahead, ne? And you don't have enough money to buy cash, go ahead, buy a new used house, ne?
うん、
And only if the house is in a good condition, ne? If house is still good, ne? Because if not, sugoy more pay dayo, ne?
そう、
Maintenance, ne?
そう、メンテナンスに。
So, kaya, demo, Yuki-chan fudosan wa sugoy, desho, honest desho. Sembu will tell you desho, korek kuwareta. Desho? So, sa tingin ko naman po okay, no? Kasi naman po, honest naman po si Fudosan, no? Kumbaga, sasabihin niya sa inyo kung ano yung sira. Ne, Fudosan will tell you desho, what needs to be repaired to ka.
でも sometimes ハイドの時もあると思うよ。
あるね。
多分。can't see place とかは、didn't say.
Yun nga, kung ayaw ninyong magbayad ng mahaba, ibig sabihin kung ayaw ninyong magbayad ng 25 years, 20 years, 30 years, yan, kumuha kayo ng used na ganito, no? Kumbaga, kung ayaw niyo ng mahabang obligasyon. Ngayon, kung meron na kayong pamilya rito sa Japan na, yun nga, gusto niyo mabilisan lang, wala na kayong problema monthly, yan, used na lang ang kunin niyo. So yun, sa tingin ko yun lang. Ngayon, sinasabi ni Yuki-chan, kung ang trabaho niyo, hindi kayo sure na nasa isang lugar lang kayo, huwag na kayong kumuha. Dahil, at least, if you are living in an apartment, you can always transfer the shop. So yun. Yun po yung may advice namin patungkol po dito sa mga used house. At saka, one more advice, Anthony. Check everything, ne? Check everything. Because you will spend more. So napakamahal po kasi ng labor dito sa Japan. No? Kaya kapag hindi kayo marunong pagkatapos, merong kailangan gawin, talo pa kayo. Ne? Who should not buy in cash? Of course, the person who doesn't have cash, ne?
Saving money ない人。
Ne. 例えば、お金 5 million in the bank, and then, お金 5 million daki aru, and then buy, and then zero, so dami ne.
ダメでしょ。
No, at least double ne. So, yun. Ako naman po, who should not buy? Kung wala po kayong plan, if they don't have plan to live here for good, don't buy, ne? Just rent, ne? Ne? So, yun lang po. Ngayon, kung nasa maganda kayong lugar, ibig sabihin, if it's Tokyo, if you're in Tokyo, go ahead, buy, and then do business. Dekiru desho. Sore.
うん
Demo, inakagawa wa. Dami na.
うん
So, pag mga ganyan po, yung mga malapit kayo sa Tokyo, Airbnb nyo, bumili kayo dyan, Airbnb nyo, okay. No? Pero kapag nandito po kayo sa Inaka, wag na po. Kung gagawin nyo lang din Airbnb dahil wala rin uupa. If you describe this decision in one word, what would it be?
挑戦
Just in English one.
try みたいな
Try. Wait lang po, no? Hindi ko alam yung meaning ng chosen eh. Challenge.
うん
Just try mi tayo na.
そう
We just tried.
try buy みたいな
Nani?
try buy みたい
Try to buy.
なうん
So, sinasabi po ni Yuki Chang, try. At least, ne. So, for me, so sa akin po, no, if I would describe this decision in one word, what would it be? I think it's good. Yun lang, no? Ganun lang kaigsi. Bagay kasi one word lang, no? So, yun lang. Si Yuki Chang, chosen, try.
うん
Ne? Parang trial, no? Do you think this house was a smart move for us?
maybe
Maybe, ne? I think, for me, I think it was a smart move. Because if we didn't buy this house, we are still living in an apartment, and then Yuki Chang maybe die of stress dayo.
うん
Ne?
ノーストレスはいいけどね
No, stress not good dayo.
ノンストレスだからいいけど
Ne? So sa akin naman po, no, sa opinion ko, I think yes.
うん
No. I think smart move because, ne, you don't have stress dyan.
うん
And then, giving birth na Tokyo, maybe Yuki Chang, after you give birth, siguro ira-ira, di siya? And then, if you were living in an apartment,
もうイライラね
oh, di siya, more ira-ira to ka, and then Riri Chang crying to ka, ne? So, dakara, I think it was a smart move. Plus, this house is very cheap, so I think it's a good buy. Ne? Was buying this house more about money or about security and peace?
ピース
Peace, ne? Not because it's cheap.
チップファーストはピースでしょストレスだから、アパートメント don't like、からファーストスタート、だからピース、
And then, it just so happened that this house is cheap. Dakara, oh,
So,
cheap.
so.
Second reason is cheap. First is space, then second is cheap. Ne? So, for me po, ganun din, no? So, yun. Yun lang po yung ma-share namin, no? Sa 2 years na experience namin dito sa used house na to, no? So, paano?
hanggang dito na lang to. Hanggang sa muli.
Paalam! Paalam!
Kaya